Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special video for you guys. Today is my 24th birthday. And I'm going to be giving you guys the 613 wig review, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this color, how I dyed the roots, how I did everything. So let's just get right on into the video. Alrighty, so first things first, I was looking all over the internet for 613 wigs, trying to find the most affordable option, and of course, I found a bomb one on Amazon. I got this wig on Amazon for a little over $100. I think it was $109. If I'm not mistaken, I'll have everything in the description box below. And this wig, honestly, for the price, I'm jacking it, and I'll tell you guys why. So when I first got the wig, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it did shed a lot. And this is my first 613 wig. I'll have on the screen some of the shedding that I experienced. I washed the wig with purple shampoo as soon as I got it, and the hair was just like coming out, and I know obviously that this hair was bleached to platinum 613 blonde, so maybe I'm supposed to expect that amount of shedding, but that was a shock to me. So if you're gonna buy this hair, please be forewarned that every time you wash it, you're gonna see a lot of strands coming out. And honestly, even when I run my fingers through it, I get some strands. So the shedding is a little bit more than I would like, but this is my first platinum blonde wig, so I don't know if that's normal. Let me know in the comments down below. I can't exactly say that the quality is super good yet because obviously I just got the hair. I just literally, this is my first time wearing it, so like for me to come on and be like, oh my god, it's so bomb, go buy it right now, that would just be me not being real. So the hair seems like good quality so far. You know, it's really bouncy, it's really soft, but all hair starts out like that. So I will come back with another video and update you guys, but today I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieved this color. The hair did not come like this, so let's just get into how I dyed it, what I did, all that good stuff. Okay, so the first thing I did was tone the hair. I used the traditional Wella toners. The Wella toners come like in a million different colors. I was in a beauty supply store really sitting there thinking like, how am I supposed to choose between all these colors? It was really difficult. I used the Wella permanent liquid hair toner in the shade T27 medium beige blonde, and that's exactly what I got, a medium beige blonde. It's like a sandy kind of blonde color. It's not too bright, but it's a little more toned down. You know, it gives you that nice blonde appearance, but it's not doing the most. You know, it's doing a little bit less than the most. I went ahead and mixed the dye myself. So for every 1 bottle of dye, I used 2 bottles of the Wella 20 volume liquid developer. I mixed it up in the bowl, and to tone my whole wig I used 2 bottles of the Wella toner. So don't go off and get like 4, because that's what I did. I got like 4 of them because I wasn't sure that little box, like what was in there. I wasn't sure how much I was gonna need. You're only really gonna need 2 for this length of hair. Get 4 if you're gonna do like some long hair, like down to here. And I went to work. I pretty much parted the hair in very small sections. That is a key. And I just went in, painted it on the hair all throughout the wig until I got to the top. I went ahead, that probably took me about maybe 15 to 20 minutes to just apply the dye, and then I let the dye sit on for another 20-ish minutes, and then I washed it, blow dried it, just to see how I was liking it. And for the root color as well, I did the same exact process. 1 bottle of dye for 2 bottles of developer, and I just used the bottle to measure out the developer, and I just poured it in, I mixed it up, I did all that, and I used a really small toothbrush to go in and apply the dye to just the roots. You really want to be careful with this. You don't want to go too ham and then get dye on the actual hair. But if you do make a mistake, what I did, I literally used saliva and I went all over the piece over the piece that might have got dye on it, and I washed it off right away so that it wouldn't, you know, stain the hair. But yeah, I used a little toothbrush and it came out really good. I knew I wanted to have like a ashy brown kind of shade, so I went with the Wella permanent liquid hair color in 6NW, which is dark, warm, natural blonde, and it gave me a nice ashy brown. It's honestly exactly what I was going for. I didn't want it to be too dark or too, you know, drastic. I wanted it to be a natural transition to the blonde, but something a little bit more, you know, blending in with my skin. As you guys can see, it came out really good. I mean, in my opinion, it came out good. You know, you guys can be the judge. Let me know in the comments down below. So that's how I achieved the root color, and this is the final look. I'm so excited to continue wearing this hair, see how it goes. Honestly, it's really soft. It's very bouncy. Now this wig is supposed to be 14 inches. I don't know if this is 14 inches. Maybe it's 14 inches like in the front, but because it's a bob, it's a little shorter in the back. And I'll take it. I'll take that. I like that the wig came already styled. The cut on this wig is perfect. As you guys can see, I did not have to take any scissors to this wig. It came like this. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this blonde on me. Give you guys, you know, some angles so you can see if you like it or not. But yeah, I really love this hair. The blonde is a really big change for me, and it's kind of on the dramatic side, so this is really out of my comfort zone, but I'm getting used to it. Like, I'm getting used to seeing myself on the camera with blonde hair. Like, who would have thought? I never would have did blonde hair 5 years ago. Like, I would have been like, sis, it's not happening. But black girls can do blonde too, okay? Don't let anybody tell you different. Period. The proof is in how it looks. I can't fake how it looks. People always think that I'm lying in my reviews because sometimes I get hair sent to me for free. But yo, like, you can't fake quality. You just can't. Like, if it's blowing in the wind, it's blowing in the wind. If it doesn't look stiff, it's not stiff, sis. It's not stiff at all. Like, so yeah, I think that's everything that I want to say about this hair. I really don't want to make this video too long because y'all don't even like long videos. Y'all won't even watch the whole thing. So there is no point in me rambling on and on and on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys love this hair. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more styling videos with this hair. Do you want to see me curl it? Do you want to see me crimp it? Do you want to see me do like half up, half down, etc, etc? Let me know all of that in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video, and you'll never miss a day. And when you're done, don't forget to comment down below #notification gang so that I can shout you out in my next video. I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye. 'Cause I know every man has a fear of a strong-minded woman, but I say she's a keeper if she got it on her own and keeps it running. If she can keep it all running. If she can keep it all running.